plate. You gonna blow it out?
Yeah.
Ready? Blow it out. Do it again. Go. Hey, go. Take a big breath. Take a big breath.
My finger.
No.
No.
Go.
If you blow with your finger.
Okay, do it again. One more time.
This is
Ready?
a cupcake.
You might burn.
Sophie's
I
good
blowed
job.
it.
You blowed it. Good job.
That
Yay.
was a cupcake
Okay, I'm actually gonna not put the plate on this
now. I wanna
Okay.
because I'm really
eat.
afraid it's gonna fall.
I wanna eat.
Okay.
No. Need a butter.
Emmett, your plate is too big for your tray.
I mean, you gonna eat it?
Yeah. Let it go.
What does it look like?
And I will blow it. Red.
Yeah, it's red.
And it's gonna
Does it
blow
look like a
for
baseball in it?
me. Get the package.
Uh-huh. Big bite.
Dad, when it's my birthday, I'm gonna give you
Or a little
a
Emmett
little
bite. Look at that little
cousin
bite.
Or you might sit with mommy.
Look at that
to
little
look at her
bite.
presents.
So cute.
Wow.
All right, happy birthday, Emmett.
Cupcake.
Happy birthday. Okay, did you say happy birthday to Emmett?
Happy birthday, Emmett. Thank you.